In summer at the entrance of the May, when flowers on the branch are blossoming, and the gladioli have turned green again. The courtier season brings me little cheer, for I have neither joy nor hold it near. Nor do I praise myself for its company. For wicked, tiresome, savage men take share in love as much as the best and most worthy. Youth flees away, breaks, and falls into despair, and wickedness has taken its place, you see. In friendship, for a friend is not beloved, nor does he delight in any mistress proved. I know full well it goes badly for them, those married men who make themselves so gay as lady chasers or lovers on a whim, and the reward that falls to them, I'd say. The country proverb speaks it in its way: who strikes with a sword but the sword is struck, his mortal blow comes from the selfsame luck. Together, lover, wife, and husband, may you tether yourselves to the common sin, and may it bind you in the greater fire. You shall be burning in the pain that never passes, nor relents, deceitful, false, and rascally in turning. The judgment of the final parliament, where all the evil and the good shall be judged. Let no lady cry out then for mercy, disloyal lover. No! From now on, she who lies with two or three has no worth, and my heart is sadder still. For God, I think, made none so false as she. In this world it would have been better for her, I will, never to have been born than to commit the failing that will be talked of bit by bit, even as far as Plato, for all to know. What she has promised me, then she will go, conquered away at the day's end. And though the fierce, jealous husband may think it ill, so be it.